It has become very real that drones will be a very important part of any new conflict that has come, and I think any new conflict that may come up. The objective when we began on this journey for making drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles as we more like to call it, particularly happened because we were more keen and interested in helping our forces serve these situations with as much comfort and ease as they can so that they can help mitigate and save lives. To do meaningful missions, we have created NETRA 5, and I think it is going to be the most future-proof product that the forces will be able to get their hands on in the short term.
With NETRA 5, broadly, we want our products to be far more user-friendly than our previous generation. The drone should do a lot of the job by itself and let you free up your time to do a number of other things.
More and more we started listening to the customers. One thing became very clear, they wanted a platform that could adapt to any task, that has the ability to take any off-the-shelf payloads and adapt itself to the needs of any particular mission.